Hi, in this video, we'll explore rest finishing using the constant step-out strategy in Pro 3D HSM. This strategy is ideal for removing leftover material that was not arranged by the previous operation tool. After finishing operation with a larger tool, some areas like in the corners or fine fillet areas or some steep regions may remain unmachined in the complex core cavity. Instead of remachining the whole part, rest finishing uh, detects and machine only those untouched areas. Uh, so solid cap does this by sweeping the previous tool diameter across the entire part and identify the unreachable areas for creating the tool path. So creating the rest finishing and the constant step over strategy, uh, there are two methods. If we go to rest finishing page, detect rest areas uh, is basically two types. You can tell the software to detect the previous operation stock and create the toolpath based on the detected rest material. Here you can see on the left bottom of this window, you can see the toolpath is created only in the area where the stock material solid cap detected. And there is another method is a reference tool. So you can choose the tool that was used in the previous operation, and solid cap will theoretically finds the rest areas, and the toolpath will be created automatically only those detected areas. So now let's create the toolpath and see how it works. uh, I will select 8 ball nose tool, and I want to restrict the toolpath within the boundary. So I want to enable the 3D boundaries. That the 3D boundary sellout is a path sellout. Sellout means it takes the solid cam detects the outer boundary of the part machining surface and use it for the toolpath calculation to restrict the toolpath within that part sellout. Rest finishing. Uh, uh, I will use, okay, my previous tool diameter is 10 ball nose, and I will go to passes. I will increase the step over and just, and you can also limit the tool part by you know by angle range. For now I will keep it like that and I'll hit the calculate button. So here the toolpath is calculated, and you can see that the toolpath is created only in the corners, and uh, and it created a nice a linking as well. So this is how you can create a corner finishing toolpath, and you can also tell the software you don't want to machine a flat areas, right? You can also say if you don't want to machine a flat areas, you can keep it to the like 0.5 degree to maybe 90 degree, and it will leave the shallow areas uh, 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 areas less than the 0.5 degree. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.